Let him cook. Let him cook now.
Hey, my good people, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. So we got another play. We possibly got some bread on the floor that we looking to scoop up. I'm finna go over this play with y'all. You know, I see two potential setups on this. We got a buy and we got a sell setup. Swing trades, you know, it's gonna take some time to get to them. And, you know, we're gonna look at these and hold them for a couple of days or, you know, maybe even some weeks. But you just look at this as an investment. You invest your money into, you know, the trade and you watch it grow. All investments aren't good investments, but you treat them like they are. So we're gonna take the precautions and, you know, the measures to make sure we're treating our investments like little babies. You feel me? So let's go ahead and look at the pair. We're on USD CAD. We're on the day chart. So looking at USD CAD, we see this zone right here was consolidation. We got a lot of ping ponging, and then we get this strong uptrend. Price wanted to create higher lows. You see the lows, they get higher and higher, higher highs, and then we get this strong push down. With this strong push down, we break 1, 2, 3. We break 3 lows, right? I got this area right here boxed up because this is the mitigation block. Remember what I was telling you about the mitigation block. If you don't know what I was saying, go watch my video on the mitigation block. I'm giving free game on that. All my game gonna be free. I'm giving out plays. If you want to maximize your profits and learn how to do this stuff, just subscribe. I'm gonna give you the play. I'm gonna show you how I do it and how I became a funded trader, right? So we got a mitigation block. Go watch the video if you don't know what that is. Got this high, this lower high, break structure, right? Now, as we can see, right here in the discount area, price coming to the equilibrium, the 50% of this whole range, right? Price is at the equilibrium, want to show rejection. And what you can see most of the time at equilibrium, you will see consolidation within the equilibrium. So let's drop down time frames. Now we're on the 4-hour. This was the play that we caught. I think that was, what was this? Earlier in the year. Yeah, this was earlier in the year. We caught this play right here, right? Now, this is the leg that we're on right here. Notice how you have this fair value gap for sell side and this fair value gap for buy side. I'm going to get into that. I'm going to make a video into that. I'm not going to discuss that in this video. I just want y'all to focus on this right here. So we got this fair value gap, right? Price is at equilibrium right now. Now what you could expect, let's go ahead and get our arrows, show you guys what you can expect. So what you can expect is maybe price play around right here, but what you want to see from this area is price comes in this box. You're going to watch this box when price get in here, and you're going to wait for your structure shift. You're going to wait for price to show like a strong move up. You're going to get in this trade, right? You get in this trade, right? And what you want to do is you want to ride this bad boy all the way up. That's the buy trade, right? Now, where would you take your TP? Notice how we got this consolidation right here. This would be inducement. If you haven't watched my video on inducement, go watch the video. I'm giving you free game on how to catch these setups. This would be inducement. So knowing that, what could we expect? We could expect price to come here. Once we get our market structure shift, if we get it and price want to give it to us, we're going to jump in it for the buy. We're going to use this as a TP level. Soon as price gets here, just go ahead and take your money out because this will be inducement, which means sellers are going to look for this area right here. They're going to think that this is resistance. So they're going to sell, but what price will do is blow past that, going into this block right here. This will be the mitigation block. So sellers would think this is resistance and they're going to try to sell right here. But what's going to happen is price is going to push up, go into this box right here, which is the mitigation block, the daily time frame mitigation block. This is the buy play. Now the sell play. Let's go ahead and go over that. Once price gets into this box, you want to wait to see for price to show a market structure shift. You want to see price trend up, and a strong push down. After that strong push down, creating a fair value gap and all of that breaking structure, what could you do? man, you want to get in this trade and ride this bad boy all the way back down here. That's 2 setups. That would be 2 setups. You could potentially ride this bad boy out. If this bad boy want to act up, you could ride this bad boy smooth out this range right here. You could just take partial profit as it starts to go down and let it ride down. That would be the key idea. But, you know, price news and all of that come into play and want to, you know, mess up the trade or whatever. So that's why it's important to take partial profits. I'm going to make a future video going over partial profits, so don't even trip. So yeah, equilibrium, prices at equilibrium. If it gets down here, you want to wait for that market structure shift. After that market structure shift, ride that bad boy up to the mitigation block, the daily mitigation block. Then once price gets into this daily mitigation block, wait for your market structure shift and ride this bad boy down. That's the play. We out. Oh yeah, let's go ahead and look. From this box, let's say 50% of this box. Up here into this box, well, to the inducement is 200 pips. Now let's say if price gets into 50% of this box. 50% of this box, back down here, you got, man, I'm going for 400 pips on this play. So you guys stay tuned.